Hello, everyone. This is a programmable DC regulated power supply from Hantek company. I'm going to show you how to remotely control this power supply. Open Hantek company official website. Find the DC power supply in the product center and select the HDP135V6S series. Find the software package in the download bar. Download and open the folder. Download software. Choose All Next. The software icon appears on the desktop. Open the software. Language settings Chinese or English. Default display when no device is connected. Double-clicking on a screen will zoom in on the right. Connect the power supply to the computer with a straight-through cable. RS232 pre-connects to power supply. The USB interface connects to the computer. Open the software. The software automatically scans and displays connected devices. Green indicates the connection. We can see that the power and computer readings are synchronized. The power supply and computer connection is successful. Can realize remote control.